Hey everyone, my name is Sahil, and in today's video we will discuss earth enhancing compounds. By the end of this video, you should clearly understand what an earth enhancement compound is, the different types available, the technical specifications, and which type you should use for your project. But why should you listen to me? At Axis, we've been manufacturing a wide range of earthing and lighting protection material for over 30 years, including earth enhancing compounds. You'll find our earthing products used in solar farms, data centers, commercial and residential projects in more than 100 countries. So, let's start with the basics. Earth resistance. Earth resistance is the measure of how easily electrical current can flow from an electrode into the ground. Lower resistance ensures faster and safer dissipation of faulty current. This resistance depends mostly on soil resistivity. To keep the value within safe limits, the soil around the electrode must be stable and conductive enough to allow proper current flow. That's where earth enhancing compounds help. It improves the soil condition around the electrode so your system meets the required resistance levels and maintains electrical safety. In simple words, it's a backfill compound made from a mix of minerals that has lower resistivity. Its main feature is the ability to absorb and hold moisture, which helps your earthing system maintain a consistent resistance over time. Now, let's understand the different types of earth enhancing compounds. Soil conditions vary. Some sites have dry soil, some are highly corrosive, and others have a high moisture content. One compound can't perform very well in every condition. Therefore, we have different types of earth enhancing compounds, each suited for a specific application. Let's understand them in detail. Firstly, Axifill-lite. This is a bentonite-based earth enhancing compound, and it is designed for areas with high water table and moisture, typically ones closer to water bodies. When mixed with water, it swells to 13 times its dry volume, and this swelling fills air gaps around the electrode and keeps it tightly packed against the soil. This helps lower and stabilize the earth resistance. It is made from bentonite and mixed with salts and minerals. This improves conductivity and helps the compound perform better in loose, shifting soils. The compound is odorless and non-leaching, which means it does not release harmful substances into the soil. This makes it safe for the environment and for long-term use. Axifill-lite is RoHS compliant, confirming it is free from hazardous materials. Its measured resistivity is less than or equal to 2 ohm meters, which is suitable for most grounding applications. Secondly, Axifill. This is a highly conductive earth enhancing compound, ideal for locations where low earth resistance is critical. It is bentonite based like Axifill-lite, but has special minerals and moisture absorbing agents. These include compounds of sodium, calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which improve conductivity and help retain moisture over time. Its resistivity is 0.12 ohm meters, making it suitable for sensitive electrical systems. The added minerals improve conductivity, while the moisture-retaining agents help keep water around the electrode even in dry conditions. This prevents air gaps and ensures stable contact with the surrounding soil. Axifill is used in substations and high-voltage yards where consistent low resistance is essential for handling fault currents. It also works well in places like telecom networks and transmission and distribution towers. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on electrical engineering. Thirdly, Axifill-Ultra. Axifill-Ultra is a premium earth enhancing compound made from graphite. Unlike bentonite-based compounds, it uses multi-layer carbon structures that offer higher conductivity and longer service life. It is designed for sensitive sites where grounding needs to be stable, reliable, and corrosion resistant. What sets Axifill-Ultra apart is its neutral pH value, which is around 7. This prevents corrosion of the earth electrode, especially in areas where the soil is acidic or alkaline. The graphite particles improve conductivity, while moisture-retaining agents keep water around the electrode even in dry conditions. High-strength binders ensure the compound stays compact and maintains contact with the electrode. Axifill-Ultra is commonly used in very critical areas where a stable resistance value is necessary, like data centers. Every type of earth-enhancing compound manufactured at Axis is tested and certified for key performance benchmarks. These include resistivity tests to confirm how well it reduces resistance, leaching tests to ensure no harmful chemicals escape into the soil, and corrosion tests to check that it won't damage nearby conductors. Each compound is also tested for sulfur content, pH level, moisture retention, and thermal stability. All testing is done in line with international standards such as IEC 62561-7, IEEE 80, and BS 7430. These certifications prove that the compound is of high quality and will perform reliably in extreme conditions. I hope you now have a clear understanding of earthing compounds. Always ensure that the selection and installation of earthing materials are carried out by trained and authorized professionals. At Axis, we have a team of over 50 engineers who can help you with choosing, applying, and testing these compounds. Our products are installed worldwide in solar farms, substations, data centers, factories, and even in everyday residential and commercial projects. Before you move on to the next video, make sure you know why earthing compounds work better than salt and charcoal. You can watch this video right here.